Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, what we have here is the latest smartwatch, Series 8 smartwatch in the market. We have the W28 Pro smartwatch, okay? Based on our shipping details here, we do have the W28, okay? Pro smartwatch, 45mm size, Bluetooth call. We have a 1.95-inch screen, okay, ECG, okay, feature. So we have here the W28 smartwatch. So we're going to have a review of its design as well as specifications. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have here a simple packaging. So we have the features here. So it is using the M Active Pro app. We do have a Bluetooth feature here as well as the call, music, health, and sports. Okay, and seems like we do have a wireless charging here. Okay, we have the phone book. So M Active Pro. We have the phone book, alarm, music control, okay, Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth call, heart rate, IP68, waterproof rated, sports functions and notifications. So let's check. Okay, so it features 500 plus watch faces. Okay, so that's why seems like I've been wondering why it's not really that tight when I close it. So we have here a free jelly case for the smartwatch. We also have a, I think, okay, a tempered glass, and we have the user manual. So this is the smartwatch here. Okay, so let's check the user manual. So this is in Chinese language. Do we have an English? Okay, so we do have an English language here. Okay, again, the support app is M Active Pro, as you can see here now on the QR code. Okay, let's check. So we have here some instructions. Do we have the specs? So we don't have the specs here. Okay, but it says we do have a 1.95-inch screen display. Okay, so the contents, we have the, okay, so wireless charging, a wireless charger, and we have the smartwatch, okay, with a strap already attached to it. Okay, so let's have a closer look to this. Okay, let's focus on the wearable. Okay, so we do have a flat finish here, gold, rose gold. The back still ceramic color, ceramic material, I think. We have the sensors here. We don't have a charging connector here as it is using a wireless charging feature. We have the speaker and the mic. We have the crown button here as well as the pill shape button. Okay, so let's take a look at the design here. Okay, again, this is the W28 Pro, one of the latest Series 8 smartwatch in the market. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's have a measurement for this wearable. Okay, so let's check. Okay, body frame, we do have 30 or maybe 31.5. Okay, so 31. Let's check again. Let's make sure. Okay, so we do have a 30 here. Okay, then for the length, let's check. So it's a 45mm smartwatch here. Okay, 45 by 31. Okay, so for the weight, so we have, of course, here a measuring scale for the weight. Okay, let's check. Let's clean it first. So we have a 00. So we have at least, we can round it off to 50, I think. Okay, let's weight it. Let's weigh it properly. So here we have here 49.55. Okay, 57. Okay, so I think it's almost 50 here. And for the look, let's see. Okay, let's check. Okay, looks okay, looks nice. I like the flat color here. Okay, and it's the typical Series 8 smartwatch in the market. I don't see any difference with our Series 8 smartwatch in the market when it comes to the design, but I like the finish here. Okay, you see it. Okay, let's have a closer look. I wonder if the bezel is okay here, the black border, I mean. Let's see. Okay, so I will turn it on and let's see whether we do have a very good screen display. Okay, so this is the power button here. Okay, it's turning on. Okay, so we have here the display. Okay, and as you can see here, very slim bezel. Okay, let me have a comparison. Okay, so that you can appreciate the beauty of a slim bezel in this W28 smartwatch. Okay, wait. Okay, so we do have here, okay, we have is the i7 Pro Max. It's a Series 7 smartwatch, I think. We have other, okay, so we do have a just this one. Okay, let me check. Okay, okay, the same screen display here. We do have a very sluggish. Okay, let me, that's why I don't like the, okay, the rotary button of this one, the i7 Pro Max, not good. As you can see here, we do have a very slim bezel. Okay, very far from the previous Series 7. Okay, but the screen size is, it's not that different, as you can see. It's almost the same. Okay, let's check. Okay, do you see the bezel here? This is a Series 7 and this is a Series 8. Okay, there's a very obvious difference between the bezel. Okay, so 1.95 screen display with a very good screen resolution. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of our W28 Pro smartwatch. Okay, watch out as we are going to check on the menus and the features of the W28 Pro smartwatch on our next video. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.